10th class Physical Science Lesson Refraction at Curved Surfaces. Topic: Sign convention in convex lens and concave lens. Here we can see the convex lens here. The object always kept on the left side of the convex lens and the image formed on the right side of the convex lens. All distances are measured from optic center P. So the distance between the optic center to object, the distance is measured as a negative sign, and from the optic center to image, the distance is measured as a positive sign. Above the principal axis, the height of the object measured as a positive sign. Below the principal axis, the image height is measured as a negative sign. So, image distance can be measured as a positive sign and object distance measured as a negative sign, and height of the object measured as a positive sign and image height measured as a negative sign. So all distances are measured from optic center P. Object distance is minus u, object height plus HO, image distance plus V, image height minus V, focal length. So focal length means optic center to focal point. So between these 2 points, the distance is called focal length. So focal length also on the right side of the convex lens. So these focal length also measured as the positive sign. Next one, concave lens. So here we can see the concave lens. So here also the object is kept on the left side of the concave lens. So here we observe the forming of the virtual image on the left side of the concave lens. So here we also measure the distance from the optic center to object. So these distance also measured as a negative sign. Next, the image, the optic center to image, the distance also measured as a negative sign. Next, focal length. So the focal length is there on the side of the left. So here optic center to focal point, the distance is called focal length. So the focal length also negative in concave lens. So here now all these points can be written here. We can see the object is always kept on the left side of the lens. The object distance is minus sign. The image distance is positive when it is formed on right to the lens. So the image is real, and negative when it is formed on left side of lens, virtual. So virtual means erect. The object height HO is always positive above the principal axis. The image can be erect So HI, so shown positive sign. The image can be inverted. So HI shown as a minus sign. So focal length is in convex lens shown positive sign. Focal length is in concave lens shown negative sign. So all distances are measured from optic center P. So here we can see the two lenses, convex lens and concave lens. So in both of them we can see the virtual images formed on the left side of the lenses. So both of them are virtual images, not a real images. So real images only form on the right side of the lenses, but here we can see the virtual images formed on the left side of the convex lens and concave lenses. So virtual image distance also can be seen as a minus sign, and the object distance also can be shown as a minus sign. So in the concave lens also object distances can be shown as a minus sign, and the virtual image also can be shown as a minus sign. So all this about the sign convention of the lenses.